Are you craving for a cheesy pasta but want to do away with too much carbs? Well, we're on the same page. Today I'm going to cook mac and cheese but using cauliflower as a pasta substitute. And here are the ingredients. Let us first remove the florets from the cauliflower head, and we shall make it into somewhat like the size of a normal macaroni. Here in the Philippines, cauliflower is quite pricey, so we must ensure to utilize all the portions of the cauliflower. I have seen quite a lot of versions of Cauliflower Mac and Cheese, but I want to show you mine because I find it really easy, and with only few ingredients you can have the taste of mac and cheese without the carbs. Why do we choose cauliflower as a substitute to pasta? Because it has way less calories and carbohydrates content than the normal macaroni. This is the only tedious part in this recipe, ensuring that the cauliflower florets are free from any impurities. But this shall offset the time to cook the pasta if we were using pasta. So here it is. This is the kind of size that I would want. So we will wash thoroughly, making sure that there are no maggots or any impurities. Now we shall make the white sauce. We start with melting the butter and adding the cream cheese. Let us keep the heat low enough that it will not burn our butter quickly. Add also the all-purpose cream. We need to keep it at low heat, and when we see that it has boiled a bit, then we can add 2 tablespoons of the almond flour. I'm using extra fine. And we're almost done. Just a few mixing, making sure that the almond flour is well incorporated to our mixture, and that's it. Our white sauce is done. Just to have some texture on our white sauce, I'm going to add pork rinds in it. Just a small portion, and I will keep some for our toppings later. Now I'm going to put this white sauce into our cauliflower layers. I have here now a layer of the cauliflower in a container. Then I will just put some with the cheddar cheese on top. Then again, I will put some cauliflower layer. and the cream sauce or the white sauce. In this way, we can ensure that the white sauce is distributed all throughout the layers of the cauliflower florets. Then I'm adding cheddar cheese layer again. Then the florets again. And this will be our last layer. Now is the top layer. So we will pour all the sauce that is left. This would really make a very good and delicious cheesy cauliflower mac and cheese. And some cheddar cheese. The leftover of the pork rinds that I have earlier, I will put all at the top. You can also put grated cheese here, but for me I just want it this way. This is how it should look like before we heat it to the air fryer. I have already preheated the air fryer at 180 degrees and I will cook this for 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed and this is our cauliflower mac and cheese ready to eat.